Hello everyone. Quick product category change app will help user to change a product category for the main product category and also in point of sale category. Once this module is installed, in the list view of the product form, where we can see an option to change and quick change category as well as in point of sale category. Now let's get into the inventory. Under products, we can see the products list where you can see and products in the Kanban view. Now let's change the same to the list view. So for example, if I need to change these two product categories, so let's select these two products. Under action, we can see an option to update the category as well as the point of sale category. Okay, now let's update the category first. Once you click on that, it will open in wizard where we can select an category. So for example, let's select an category like expense. Okay, so for example, so let's update the category. So once you get into that, you can see an category will be updated. Now like the same way, you can see an point of sale category as miscellaneous. Now let's change the point of sale category for this product. Okay, so for that we need to select the product, and under action we can see an option to update and point of sale category. Once you click on that, it will open in wizard where we can select and point of sale category. Okay, now I'm going to choose the point of sale category as chair. Now let's update the category. When we get into that product, where you can see an category will be updated automatically. In this way, we can make use of this module to change and multiple product categories. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about an inventory related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated inventory features that we have. Thanks for watching.